Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Remember to hit the like button and remember to subscribe down below. And if this is your first time on the channel, I'm Joey and we've got a couple of cars on this channel. We got a 2006 Mustang, a 2008 Mustang, and a 2019 Mustang. So today's video is to discuss or show the V6 rear end coming out and putting in the GT 8.8 rear end. And if you notice, the rear end, it can bolt onto the drive shaft easier. So right now, the drive shaft and the rear end are completely bolted on and everything's tightened in spec. We got power to the front. We got power to the back. We're almost there, ladies and gentlemen. Almost there. Seconds and or minutes away. Cluster officially has all power. Turn off the four ways. So headlights work, tail lights work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse. That's 7. So we're almost there, guys. We're so close. My buddy's got the starter. We're gonna bolt that in later, and then I'm gonna have to get the power steering pump, the fluid, and a couple other miscellaneous hookups, and we are gonna have a running car. This job is almost done. This build is almost ready for roadworthiness. All right, guys, stay tuned. Thank you. Stay tuned on more updates.
Say bye-bye.